यहाँ पर जो स्टॉल्स लगे हैं, हम स्टॉल के बच्चों से और टीचर्स से उनकी तैयार करदा एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए आए हैं। यहाँ पर स्टॉल नंबर 3 है, आप स्टॉल नंबर 5 है, आप देख सकते हैं, प्रादेशिक विद्या प्राधिकरण औरंगाबाद। ये स्टॉल यहाँ पर इंग्लिश की एक्टिविटीज़ के ताल्लुक से है। चलते हैं स्टॉल वाले के पास। मैडम, स्टॉल के मुतालिक बताइए।
औरंगाबाद विद्या प्राधिकरण and Regional Academic Authority, Aurangabad. This is the stall for English spoken. English is a widely used spoken language. Vidya Pradhikaran and RAW has running many programs for enhancement of the English and betterment of the teacher to speak confidently in English. One of the program is spoken English. So we have these students from the school Iqra Primary Aurangabad. They are showing some activities which is the impact of the English learning program.
Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hadia Firdaus. My father's name is Muhammad Asaduddin. My mother's name is Khushida Parveen. I am in 6th standard. My school name is Iqra Urdu Primary School. I live at Sadaf Colony, Aurangabad. I like to participate in competition and I like to read a newspaper. My favorite color is pink. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Sheikh Javeria Masan, studying in 7th class. My school name is Iqra Urdu Primary School. Today I am here to present a poster presentation which is very important for improving our writing skills. These are an interesting and innovative writing tips for to develop learners' thinking skills for being a good writer. Now, I use the following resources. I use small charts on my poster. To see, to think, to choose, to think, to decide, and then write. These are writing tips. What do writers write? 10 ways to say beautiful in English. Descriptive, 6 states of writing. A small chart of synonym words. Evidence-based writing. 15 ways to say I hate it, and many more. Some tips are need to understand. This is not an individual work. This is group activity. Everybody can participate in this work, and everyone can motivate from this work, and many more. So I hope we shall build our confidence to being a good writer. Thank you, sir.
Hello, I am Musaddiq. I am studying in 6th standard from Iqra Urdu Primary School, Aurangabad. I am telling about how glass is shaped. One glass becomes a cold, stiff and hard. That is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle. That means glass is easily broke. To be shaped into different articles to make variety of glass. Pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, and even below to make different type of glass. There are many properties of glass: transparency, not affectable, not soggy, etc., etc. Ordinary glass is colorless. But it is possible to color it in many combination of chemicals to color it in many beautiful colors: ruby red, amethyst, purple, and violet, etc., etc.
Hello, I am Sohail. This is my friend. He is Musaddiq. Musaddiq live in Babar Colony, Aurangabad. He goes to Iqra Urdu Primary School. He is 12 years old. His father name is Muhammad Sadiq. He is in 6th standard.
We are also classmates. Oh, schoolmates.
Hello, my name is Sheikh Hassan Raza. My father's name is Sheikh Masood Ahmad. My school name is Iqra Urdu Primary School. I am in 6th standard. My favorite dish, chicken biryani. My favorite teachers, Azra Miss.
said the duck to the kangaroo.
Good gracious, how you hop over the fields and water too, as if you never would stop. My life is so bored in this nasty pond, and I long to go in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you,
said the kangaroo to the duck.
This requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection, which is if you let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatism.
Said the kangaroo, said the duck.
as I sat on the rocks, and I thought completely, and I bought the 4 pairs of worsted socks, which is fit my web feet neatly.
Said the duck, said the kangaroo.
I am ready all in the moonlight pale. But to balance me well, the duck sits steady at the end of my tail.
So away then well with a hope and bond.
Hello everyone, myself Askat Azeen, study in 5th standard in Iqra Urdu Primary School. I live in Bari Colony, Aurangabad. My father is a farmer. My mother is a ZP school teacher. I have 2 sisters study with me in the same school. I love read books and participate in the different competitions. My family always support me. With their whole and soul support, I love to go on and achieve my dreams. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sheikh Juwairiya Mohsin, studying in 7th class. My school name is Iqra Urdu Primary School. Today I am here to share my own feelings with you about my school journey. Dear teachers, first of all, I am very lucky girl for being a student of Iqra Girls Urdu Primary School. Before 8 years ago, my father was very much worried about my education, and he was searching the right place for me to take good education and knowledge. At last, he came to know about the quality and excellence of Iqra Urdu School and took my admission here. As my father always says to me that he is also lucky father that his daughter is taking education in this esteemed school where quality always maintained. Actually, I have been learning here since 8 years. Within this period, I got very hard work and excellent teachers every year. I saw that every teacher take extra efforts to build the career of every learners in this school. They teach us very nicely and friendly manners, which is today's need. Our teachers are our motivation and inspiration. We learned lot of good and valuable things from the work of our teacher, their behavior as well as their simple life. They do all have vast knowledge about their particular subject, and they try their level best to circulate it to everyone. Our school always arranges different kinds of educational programs which help us to motivate and go forward in the life, as science exhibition, maths exhibition, sports competition, drawing competition, like this 100 types of competition. And all it happens in our school because of the right planning of right man, and he is our principal, Mr. Ilyas. I have been looking since many years that sir always motivates the teachers and students to do better work for our school. His guidance and motivation always help us to do it. And of course, just like our backbone, our trust, Al Hira Educational Society supported our school every time by providing needful materials to our school and every needful students. Because of their great support to our school is improving and developing the quality of education, so that thousands of students taking education here and making their bright future to go forward in the life and fulfill the wishes of thousands of parents like you. Thank you, sir.